Okay, if you're looking at engineering colleges around Dharmapuri, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Jayalakshmi Institute of Technology, located in Thoppur. And for anyone getting ready for TNEA counseling, listen up, the code you need is 2640.
So what's this college all about? Well, right off the bat, you need to know it's AICTE approved. That's basically the government's big green light for any technical college in India. But what's really interesting is its mission, its whole reason for being. It was founded specifically to provide top-notch technical education for students coming from rural backgrounds.
All right, let's get into the specifics, starting with the college's identity and its roots.
So let's break it down. The full name is Jayalakshmi Institute of Technology, and it got its start back in 2008. It's a private, self-financing college, which is super important because it means it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. So, your syllabus, your exams, everything is tied to the university's high standards. And how do you get in? It's through TNEA's counseling. And get this, 65% of the seats come under the government quota. That's a big deal.
So who's behind this vision? Well, it's the Chendamurai Ramanujam Educational Service Trust. This trust was founded in 2007 by an industrialist through C. Subramanian. He didn't waste any time, He started the trust and just 1 year later opened the doors to this institute.
And this really gets to the heart of it. His mission was crystal clear from day one: to empower rural youth through technical education. This isn't just some nice-sounding phrase on a website. It really seems to be the core philosophy driving the whole institution.
Okay, moving on to something absolutely critical for any parent or student choosing a college: the official approvals.
And here's the big one. The college is approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE, for the academic year 2025-2026. What does that mean for you? It means you have a solid, valid approval that covers your entire degree program. It's a huge checkmark for peace of mind.
Now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the actual engineering programs on offer here.
So in total, we're looking at 480 undergraduate seats for BE and BTech programs.
Let's look at the breakdown. As you can see, computer science is the big one, with 120 seats. But they've also got some really popular branches like artificial intelligence and data science and information technology, both with 60 seats each. Of course, the classic core branches are all here too: ECE, EEE, and mechanical, also with 60 seats. And they round it out with civil and agricultural engineering for those with more specific interests.
You know what's really interesting here? They're clearly keeping an eye on the future. They've brought in these new age programs like AI and data science in 2020 and IT just in 2023. This is a great sign that the college is actively working to keep its courses relevant to what the industry is looking for right now.
All right, let's shift gears to what is, for many, the most important question of all. What about careers and placements after you graduate? Okay, according to the college's own data, they place over 80% of their students every year. Now that's a college-reported figure, but it definitely suggests a serious focus on getting students ready for the job market and connecting them with companies. And who's hiring from here? To give you a taste, they've mentioned companies like Whitestone Software Solutions, which is an IT firm, and TVS Brakes India, a major player in the core manufacturing space. So you're seeing a mix of both software and core engineering recruiters.
Okay, academics are one thing, but what about student life? Let's talk about the kind of support and facilities you can expect on campus every day.
So if you're planning to stay on campus, you're covered. They have separate hostels for both boys and girls. And the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so there are options for everyone. Now, if you're a day scholar, the college has its own transport facilities. Plus, for those using public transport, the Thoppur railway station is just a quick 2 kilometers away, which is pretty convenient.
And what about financial aid? This is a big one. The college helps students apply for a whole range of government scholarships. We're talking about things like the First Graduate Scholarship, the Postmatrix Scholarship for SC/ST students, scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, and even central government scholarships for minorities.
Just a quick note before we wrap up. All the information we've shared today comes directly from the college's official website and other trusted government sources. And it was all current at the time we put this together.
So there you have it, a detailed look at Jayalakshmi Institute of Technology. To keep exploring and to compare even more engineering colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions from 12th standard all the way to your engineering seat.